Thanks so much, Tawana. Well, it's Tuesday, and we're joined by Greenwood LaFleur Hospital. Now, Dr. Assini's with us often, and we always love having you here this morning cooking a fabulous meal. Dr. Assini, every time you come in, it's always about educating us on how to be healthier. Last week, you had a pretty big event. How did it go?
It went fantastic, especially considering that we had Tawana knew that we were going to have tornadic activity and 4 inches of rain and flash flooding. But what we tried to do at the hospital in response to the community's needs, we put together a panel of 10 specialists that have something to do with diabetes, and in fellowship invited all the people of the Delta or anywhere to come in just with questions in a fellowship manner to ask about how diabetes affects different things. So we had an eye doctor, a foot doctor, we had wound care, vascular heart, all these specialists, and it was so well received. And we had a nice turnout, all things equal, but we're going to do this again, and we'll let everyone in our listening audience and viewing audience know when that would be. It was better than we thought, and the feedback and the phone calls that I received, it was a need, and education is the key. You need to be healthy. In order to do that, you need to be educated.
Right.
And we at the hospital love to do that, and it gives me great pleasure to see if we can prevent blindness, loss of leg, dialysis, quality of life issues that we can avoid. It's one thing if you can avoid it, but these things could be avoided with a little love. And
it's so great. People got the opportunity to hear from so many doctors. It's really exciting to hear it again. Just as you said, always, education is the key to beating diabetes. This week's Thanksgiving. Tips for us going forward for Thanksgiving just to stay healthy?
Eat everything in moderation. When you can, fat-free things. But look, it's Thanksgiving. You have to give thanks, okay, and you have to give. Now, one day's not going to hurt you, but what I will tell you to do, walk 30 minutes after you eat or the next day, and just be sensible. Give thanks to our God and give to other people, because that's what the holiday should be.
It's all about.
And if you don't do that, I'm not going to tell you not to, because I believe that's wrong.
There you go. All about giving, learning, and education. Thanks so much, Dr. Assini. He's going to stay around. He's giving us a quiche in just a little bit. But we have more about Thanksgiving season of giving coming up when we return. We'll be right back.
This Health Matters segment is brought to you by Greenwood LaFleur Hospital.